There we go, guys. It's actually adding our diamonds and our coins, and it works perfectly. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds in my DLS 25 game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got it online, and later we will test it, does it actually work together. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices, and for a start let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, guys, and click on DLS 25. So guys, there we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find your DLS 25 user ID, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. So go to settings, go to advanced info and go to your user ID. Just copy whole info and paste info there. So just paste it and it will automatically only scrape your user ID. So when you paste your user ID, just click here continue, and guys, it should search for our user account. So user found, you should get this message. So nice. Now guys, we will have to select our coins and diamonds amount. I will select 9 million, it's currently the maximum, and click continue. So guys, third step will load up and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, my DLS, for more reviews and tutorials. I will record more soccer games. So yeah guys, and let's see, there we go guys, API is connected. Nice. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our coins and diamonds on our DLS 25 game. So guys, it's one-time verification and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. It's just important to complete 2 simple tasks from this list. So guys, what will I do now? I will download Merge Gardens and TikTok. So how you download this? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions for each task you complete. So for Merge Gardens, I will install and reach level 9, and for TikTok, I will download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Merge Gardens and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second. So let's see, will we actually get redirected or no? So there we go, guys. There we go, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check, guys. Our user ID, coins, diamonds are sent. So let's open our DLS 25 now and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, let's see, is it legit or no? So there we go, guys. It's actually adding our diamonds and our coins, and it works perfectly, guys. As you can see, we got it for free. So yeah, it works amazing. Now I'm going to play my DLS 25 to the rest of the day. I'm so excited. So it worked, guys. I cannot describe you how happy I am. So I'm going now to waste all these coins and diamonds to purchase all passes and to play this DLS 25, guys. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.